Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi everyone, Sue here from 1A Auto, and I'm going to show you where the battery location is on this 2011 F-150. I've already popped the hood with the cable, so I just need to release the safety latch. And you have your main battery right here on the passenger side, front of the engine compartment. You have your positive connector with the rubber covering saying positive, and your negative battery cable. So we have your positive and negative, and you have the battery tag. Most batteries, this is a Motorcraft Ford battery, will have the cold cranking amps available to it. Hopefully aftermarket, you'll still see the cold cranking amps available. You'll see CCA, that's what it stands for, cold cranking amps. So if a manufacturer, if you get a battery replaced and they ask you questions, you could always look on your battery for those details. Now on the positive side and the negative side, negative is always a smaller post than the positive. You can see the difference there. In case you have cables that are not color-coded, you can tell the smaller is negative and the large is positive. If I was a jump starter vehicle, I would always attach the positive first, negative last, and then when reattaching, taking apart, I take the negative off first, and the positive last. So positive is first, then last. Always be safe.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.